Hi everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to be back with this unboxing today, and this is from Lisa, who's the Happy Crafter Shop on Instagram, and I will leave all of her product information down below. She is going to do a drop this week, so turn on your notifications on Instagram because her items will go fast. They get snatched real quick and you don't want to miss out on some of these wonderful products, and I'm super excited to show you what's inside. So here is her information, the Happy Crafter Shop, and all of her handles, and I will leave that down below. And let's get started on these box of yummies. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So in this little first pouch here, we have these darling pink bows, and how perfect will this be for a Maggie Holmes project? And everyone is in love with enamel charms. These are so stinking cute, and I love the little pouch that you put them in. Look how cute these are. So cute, and you can recycle these. Next up, we have these adorable swans. Oh my goodness, look how cute these are. So pretty. I love them. Again, perfect for Maggie Holmes projects. And then we got two different kinds of bow here. We got them in this beautiful teal blue, and they are backed in gold. So pretty, and they're really heavy and sturdy. I love them. And then we have these pink ones. Super cute. I love them so much. Okay, let's see what else we have here. These are, I'm gonna see what these are. I'm not quite sure. Oh my god! Look at these. These are the tiniest bow charms I have seen ever. And I love how little itty bitty they are. Super cute. Oh my god, I'm in love. So cute. Let's see what else we have here. All this gorgeous heart charm. Oh my god, this box is full of yummy, delicious charms. So cute. I love how ornate these are. I love it. See what else we have in here. We have, oh my god, these are bows too. Look at these cute bows. Okay, so we have kind of like a more of a whimsical bow charm. I love these so much in this fun gold. And let's see what else. We have some watermelon charms. Love these for summer projects, and they're perfect because they already have the screw pin. So they are an eraser kind of material, but they already have all of the screw pins included. So these are so perfect for projects, for summer projects. This kit is adorable. Look how cute these are. So we have some beautiful apple cabochons, and they are so cute. So cute. And you can just add a bail on the back to make these a charm. And in here we also have those bails. So here are the plastic bails, and this is a must-have in your stash, especially if you want to make cabochons into charms. You just add a dab of E6000 or glossy accents on the back, and you are good to go. It is a homemade charm, so this little bag of plastic bails is a must. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Oh my goodness. Okay, I see something that I have to show. Look how cute these little hot air balloons are. Oh my goodness, these are darling. Sorry for the crinkling, you guys. So we have these pastel cabochon hot air balloons, and I've never seen these before. Look how cute these are. Again, they're flatback cabochons, so you can totally add them to your projects. Maggie Holmes perfect. These are so cute. I love them. And then, oh my god, there's some more fruits in here. So we've got a little fruit cocktail. These lemons are a darling. And let me just open this. Look how cute these are. Oh my god, they're so stinking cute. I love them. And you get a ton in this package. And then we got this little fruit cocktail here. We get a little bit of everything. Oopsie. So you get the grapes, the pineapples, the apples, the strawberries. These strawberries are so cute. Some oranges, but look at these pineapple. Look how cute these are. Oh my god, I'm in love. These are so darling. I love it. And again, these are flatback cabochons. So you can just add them the plastic bales on the back and make them into some fun charms. Look how cute that is. Super cute. And we get the bananas. And these are so fun. And I've been really loving yellow. So I could totally see myself using these. Some flatback banana cabochons with the peel. So you can just add the cabochon right here on the back and add them to your project. Super cute. And so unique. I've never seen these before. So we got some rainbows, which I love. And these are also with the screw pins already ready to go. And they are the sparkle rainbow finish. Super pretty. And then she included some flatback cabochons in this beautiful rainbow colors, even with the rainbow heart details. So you can see that here. I'm sorry, I'm dropping cabochons left and right. Look how cute the little hearts are on the bottom. And these are just flatbacks. They do not have the charms. But again, I love the options of using both. You want to make it a charm, you can. Or if you want to just add it to a project, I think that's also a great option as well. And then, let's see. We got, oh, look how cute this is. These are like a painter's palette. I'm not sure if that's what you call it. But look how cute these are, especially as crafters. You can totally appreciate these. And you can even just add a little jump ring to make these a charm. These are darling, and I do love the little rainbow colors on these. Super cute. And last but not least, we have these darling bow beads. These are beads. Oh my goodness. Look how cute these are. And I have to say, these are perfect Maggie Holmes colors. So they do go top to bottom. You can see them here. They kind of remind me of bunny ears too, if you wanted to flip them the other way. And you get all of these little fun colors. Super cute, you guys. Again, I will leave Lisa's shop info down below and all of her other handles. You need to turn on your notifications for this drop because, again, look at all of the beautiful goodies that will be released in her shop. These charms are so cute, and honestly, I've never seen some of these items before, so this is a great way to get a little bit of everything in her shop. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.